Step number one to skyrocketing your growth on YouTube right now is to make sure that you're turning on their latest feature that allows your content to get shown to people that speak a bunch of different languages. What I'm talking about right now is their auto-dubbing feature, which is going to automatically dub your content into multiple languages, so it drastically increases the amount of people that can actually see your content, because only 17% of people in the world speak English. Here's how you turn this on. So all that you have to do to make sure that this is turned on is before you click publish on a video, you need to scroll down and you need to find your tag section right here. Then you're going to go slightly below that and you are going to see automatic dubbing. Now what you need to make sure that you do is make sure that you have this clicked on, and then what's going to happen is YouTube is automatically going to dub your content into several different languages, and they're going to begin to show your content to way more people. And then as a result, this is instantly going to increase the amount of people that see your content, which should lead to a massive increase in the amount of subscribers that you get, especially when you take into consideration that these new people that are going to see your content are people that more likely than not haven't seen your channel before, haven't heard of your channel before. So if you give them good information, you make them laugh, or you entertain them, guess what? They're going to be way more likely to subscribe than somebody that has seen your content multiple times but hasn't subscribed yet. Now, step number two is you need to make sure that you are taking advantage of vertical lives right now. Before I show you exactly how to do that and show you one creator that has literally been gaining tens of thousands of subscribers a month simply by doing this, I wanted to emphasize, you need to make sure that you're doing every single change that I'm going to share with you in this video, because skipping just one of them could be the reason that you don't do the thing that could skyrocket your growth right now, because it's easier than ever before to be able to grow a small channel on YouTube so long as you're doing these things. In fact, YouTube's CEO literally came out and said that they want to help small channels grow in 2025 so long as they're using these new features. What you need to make sure that you're doing is vertical lives. In fact, vertical lives get people 10 to 15% more subscribers than if they just made a regular video. And the best part about lives is you don't have to edit them. They don't take that long to do, and it's going to drastically improve how many subscribers that you get. In addition to that, YouTube took a page out of TikTok's book. If you go live on TikTok, guess what? They show it to a ton of people. YouTube is now doing that same exact thing when you do a vertical live. In fact, they actually made it even better, because if you put a custom thumbnail, a custom title, a good description, and good tags on your live, guess what? It's going to continue to get views even though you're not live anymore. And that's what makes these vertical lives so powerful, because it allows you to create more content while spending less time actually creating. And I want to show you how much better this has actually gotten. If we look at Mike, who was doing lives a year ago, 4,000 views, 1,000 views, 680 views, 1,400 views. But if we look at his more recent lives here, we see 459,000 views, 56,000 views, 16,000 views. And if we scroll up, we're going to see even more, 11,000 views, 43,000 views, 5,000 views. This one right here, 13 hours ago, only at 3,000 views right now. But look, 210 people are watching this every single hour. And what does this mean for Mike? That literally he is getting 210, 7, this will be 13, so 225, 230, we'll add in another 5. He is getting 235 views every single hour right now, which will be 235 times 24. So he's getting an extra 5,700 views every single day simply because he posted this. Now, if we go out by 30 days, an extra 170,000 views. And guess what? This is one of the reasons that he's gaining subscribers so fast. He's making so much money from YouTube, and you can literally implement the same exact strategy and see similar results. Now, step number three is you need to take all the lives that you've done, any Twitch streams that you've done, any long form videos that you've done, and you need to turn those all into shorts right now, because as of March 31st, YouTube is pushing shorts more than any type of content on the platform. In fact, they're giving creators an extra 30 to 50% more views if they upload shorts. On top of that, shorts drastically increase the amount of subscribers that you get. In fact, you get 2 to 3 times as many subscribers from shorts as you do from long form content, because viewers that watch shorts are more likely to subscribe to your channel. Now, the only problem that you have with this is, one, you don't actually know what parts of your lives or long form videos you should clip into shorts, and you also don't know how to actually change the editing and framing so that it doesn't look all weird because you filmed horizontally originally and now you're trying to make it vertical. Well, lucky for you, I have a solution for you that literally leverages AI in order to look at your lives, to look at your long form content, and know exactly when they should cut them up in order for your post to go viral. Check this out. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest that you use Nexus Clips in order to do this for you, because their AI is going to find the perfect video clip for you, it's going to edit it for you, and it's even going to add subtitles. So all you have to do is upload the long form video and boom, you're going to get viral shorts ideas straight from that are ready to publish. Here's how it actually works. You literally just log into Nexus Clips, sync up your YouTube channel, and now you're gonna be able to edit specific clips that you want to grab, or click on create clip right here. It's going to bring up all of your past content. Like this video I uploaded 5 days ago. I'm gonna click generate moments and then click got it, and boom, this is gonna go through, analyze my content, and actually get those clips for me. In addition to that though, I can highlight the top things that I actually want to do. For example, moments that demonstrate effective use of task scheduling or anything I put in here. So I'm going to click this right here, click generate new moments. I'm going to skip this step and boom, this is going to go through and actually generate those for me. So now Nexus Clip has literally gone through, made all these clips, and it gives you a score of how likely this is to potentially go viral. Now, if I click on this right here, all I have to do now is click create clip up here. I could go ahead and I can adjust the length. For example, I want this to be 17 seconds. Then I click into edit up here, which will bring me in here where I can now affect the hook. I can put different stickers on here. I can add subtitles. I could change the framing, and then boom, export this video. And that's exactly why I'd strongly suggest you go to the pinned comment below and register for Nexus Clips today. This is an absolute no-brainer. It's going to help you increase your views, increase your subscribers without you doing extra work, because their AI features are amazing. Now, step number 4, before we get into by far the most important step you need to be taking right now if you want to get more subscribers and you want to grow faster as a small channel on YouTube, is that you need to make sure you have a call to action in your content. I cannot emphasize this enough, and no, I am not telling you to have some long call to action or some boring call to action or something that makes you seem like a used car salesman. Instead, I want you to pull your audience. Here's an example. I want you to smash that subscribe button if you want to grow faster on YouTube. Now, obviously, you want to grow faster on YouTube because you're watching a video about how to grow faster on YouTube. You want to do that same exact thing for your audience and the video that you are creating, because what this is going to do is get them to confirm who they are. Not only is it going to get them to hit the subscribe button, it's also going to build goodwill with your channel, and it's going to get them to watch your videos in the future, because as humans, the number one thing that we want to do is stay consistent with who we think that we are. And the easiest way to do that is to get somebody to confirm who they are, and then every time they see your channel, because you're helping them get the thing that they want, or you're helping them be entertained, guess what? They're going to watch your videos because they confirmed by subscribing exactly who they are. I know, super psychological, but this makes a massive difference in your content. Now, this brings me to the last and most important thing that you need to make sure that you're doing right now. You can do everything that I just shared with you, but if you don't hone in on this last one, it's the reason you're not getting the growth that you want to on YouTube. And that is that you need to know exactly what your ideal audience is searching for, exactly what they're engaging with, and you need to create content in those same formats, on those same topics, in those same lengths, and then YouTube is basically going to give you more views than you could have ever imagined. Here's how you do it. So YouTube has made this easier than ever before. In fact, this is my second YouTube channel, and I'm getting 100% more views than I got the last 28 days, 95% more watch time, and 133% more subscribers. And the reason I'm able to do this is because I have been coming into my YouTube analytics, coming into trends, and then guess what? I could see right here what people are actually looking for. If I click on show all, this will show me everything that they're searching for, and I'm creating content based on these specific things. In fact, if we look right here, fire-based project, people search for that. So what did I did? I made a fire-based video right here, and literally just this one video has gotten me almost 1,000 subscribers, made me over $200, has gotten 46,000 views, and it's not stopping. I'm still getting at least 2,800 views every 24 hours from this video, which means by the end of the month, it'll be over 100,000 views. I will have made over $500 from this, and I probably would have gained thousands of subscribers literally from this one simple video idea that I got from the Trends tab. In addition to that, if you come into analytics, you come into audience, you scroll down, this is going to show you other channels your ideal audience is watching. You could see what long form videos they're watching, what lives they're watching, what podcasts they're listening to, and you can also see what formats they're actually watching. Are they watching videos, shorts, lives? And you could see that mine watch all three. And this is going to allow you to know exactly what your audience wants to see so that you can simply make that content and skyrocket your growth. Now at this point, if you're still struggling to get the growth that you want, I personally want to help you. In fact, I want to help you the same way I helped this channel gain over 100,000 subscribers, this channel over 400,000, and this channel over 700,000. I want to help you next. In fact, I want to guarantee I can help you grow on YouTube no matter what niche you're in, no matter what kind of content you create, or no matter how many times you failed before in the past. If that sounds interesting and you want to work together one-on-one, well please, check out this video right here that walks you through exactly how we could work together, whether you upload shorts content or long form content, so I can guarantee I help you grow faster, get more views, and ultimately get monetized on YouTube. I'll see you over there.